In this video, we will discuss about simultaneous linear equation. So what is simultaneous linear equation? Firstly, we will see what is the linear equation. Linear equation in one variable. So ax plus b is equal to 0, where a not equal to 0 is called linear equation in one variable. A and b are real constant, a not equal to 0, x is one variable, power of x is 1, so it is called linear. When we solve the linear equation, we will get ax is equal to minus b and x is equal to minus b by a. So when we solve a linear equation in one variable, we will get only one value of x, means only one value of x. So linear equation in one variable has only one solution. Only one solution. Linear equation in one variable has only one solution, x is equal to minus b by a. Example we can take, suppose x minus 2 is equal to 3 and 2x minus 2, or take 4x minus 2 is equal to 2. So solve for x, 4x is equal to transpose minus 2, 3 plus 2, 4x is equal to 5, x is equal to 5 by 4. So we see that after solving linear equation in one variable, we get only one value of x, that is 5 by 4. X is equal to 5 by 4 can satisfy this equation, so it is called solution of this equation. So how many solutions are there in a linear equation in one variable? Only one solution. Let us see linear equation in two variable. Linear equation in two variable, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is linear equation in two variables, x and y. So ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. It is linear equation in two variables, x and y. Here a not equal to 0, b not equal to 0. A, B, C are real constant, x and y are variable, but a and b are non-zero real numbers. So how many solutions are there in a linear equation in two variables? See one example. Suppose x plus y is equal to 5. It is a linear equation in two variables. How many solutions are there? Solutions means the values of x and y which can satisfy this equation is called solution. So how many solutions are possible in a linear equation of two variables? So please see that if x is equal to 1, what we will get value of y? We will get y is equal to 4. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, y is equal to, we can get infinite number of pairs. If x is equal to 1, transpose 1 this side, y will be 4. If we put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 4, 1 plus 4, 5 will come. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3, 2 plus 3, 5 will come. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 2, 3 plus 2, 5 will come. So these values of x and y satisfies the above equation. It means these pairs are solution of this linear equation. So a linear equation in two variables have infinite number of solutions. It has infinite pair of solutions. Okay. For one value of x, we will get the corresponding value of y. So it has infinite pair of solution, infinitely many solutions. Now we will see simultaneous linear equations. What are simultaneous linear equations? So we are taking two equations in two variables, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. One equation, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. It is the second equation. a1x, b1y, c1 is equal to 0, a2x, b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, where a1, b1, c1, a2, b2, c2 they are real constant. These two equations in two variables taken together is called a system of simultaneous linear equations. It is called a system of simultaneous linear equation. Simultaneous linear equations. So I have taken here two linear equations in two variables. These two linear equations taken together, it's called system of simultaneous linear equations. Now we have to check how many solutions are there. How many solutions are there of these two equations? Those values of x and y which can satisfy both the equations are called the solutions. So here three cases arise. First case, if a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, what are a1, a2? They are coefficients of x. b1, b2, they are coefficients of y in both the equations. If a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, means system has unique solution. System has unique solution. Unique solution means only one value of x and y we will get. And if system has unique solution, we say it system is consistent. System is consistent and independent. So see the first case, if a1 upon a2 not equal to b1 upon b2, it means system has unique solution. After solving, we will get only one value of x and one value of y. And it is also called system is consistent and independent. Next case, listen one more thing here. If system has unique solution, then this is x-axis, origin, this is y-axis. Each linear equation in two variables represents a straight line. If we plot the graph of both the equations like this is the graph of first equation, suppose. This is the graph of second equation. So both the graph will meet at one point. This is the unique point. In this case, if we plot the graph of both the equation on the graph paper taking x-axis and y-axis, both lines will meet at one point, unique point. So we can say, and this point, coordinate of this point will give the solution of these two equations. Means they will intersect at only one point. See the second case. Second case, if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Ratio of coefficient of x, ratio of coefficients of y, and ratio of constant terms all are equal. In this case, system has infinite number of solutions. Infinite number of solution, and it is said system is consistent and dependent. Consistent means solution is possible. So if a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2, in this case system has infinite number of solutions, means many solutions are there. If we plot the graph in this case, second case, taking x-axis and y-axis on the graph sheet, we will get the same line for both the equation. Means both the line will coincide. Both the line will coincide. first and second both line will coincide. Right here, both lines will coincide. Both lines will coincide means both lines will touch at infinite number of points. So we can say that the solution of these two equations will be infinitely many solutions, infinite number of solutions. So when we will plot the graph of both lines will coincide, they will touch at infinitely many points. And third case, see the third case, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. Coefficient of x, ratio of coefficient of x is equal to ratio of coefficients of y but not equal to the ratio of the constant terms. In this case, system has no solution. System has no solution. In this case, system has no solution, and we can also say that system is inconsistent. System is inconsistent. System is inconsistent means solution is not possible. We cannot solve it. And when we will plot the graph of these two equations, this is x-axis, y-axis origin. If we plot the graph of both the equation means both the equation represents a straight line. Both lines will be parallel like this. Both lines will be parallel. This is the first line, this is the second. They will not meet at any point. It means we cannot get any solution of these two equations. So graphically we can say that both lines will be parallel if they have no solution. If they meet at one point, it means there is unique solution. If both lines coincide, it has infinitely many solutions. So here there are three cases, case 1, case 2, case 3. On the basis of these cases, we can tell how many solutions are possible in a given pair of linear equations. So I hope that this concept is clear to you. Next point is how to solve the simultaneous linear equation, means how we will find the values of x and y. So in the next video, we will discuss the method of solving simultaneous linear equations. So okay, thank you class.